Hi my gems, welcome back to my channel, Charming's Mukbangs, and I'm back with another one. Guess what I have today? Bam! Chips Ahoy, can you see that? Stranger Things. The show that's on Netflix, they have a new Chips Ahoy for limited time only. That's out. And I had a dear supporter who recommended that I try these, and I didn't even know they existed until she mentioned it and asked me to do this. So, you know who you are. I'm going to try this for you. Oh, it's the chewy kind too. Okay. Let me open it. It's always a struggle opening these packages. I wonder what flavor it is. I think it's... These are cookies. Pull one out, try it. Oh, it's the chewy soft ones. Ooh. Chips Ahoy. I never knew they had dark chocolate cookies. All right, let me try it. Looks like I see orange chips in here. Bits. Excuse me here. That's red inside. I don't know why I thought it was orange. Let me capture the flavor. I think it's strawberry. Let me try another one.
It's strawberry.
It's strawberry?
Yeah.
Omar says it's strawberry. Say hi to the gems, Omar.
I already... Hello, gems.
He gets mad when I do stuff like that. But let me take another bite. Oh, it's strawberry filling, and it has little dark chocolate morsels in it too. Dark chocolate morsels. It's okay. I give it a... I'll probably give it like a 6.5 out of 10. I guess it's because I'm used to the regular chocolate chip.
I give it a 7 out of 10.
Chips Ahoy. And it's not bad. Go out and try it, guys. Stranger Things. Netflix, Stranger Things. Chips Ahoy. You need a glass of milk, too. Bye. Be back. Come back for more reviews. I can't even talk.